Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In this video, we will see how to create a map visualization in Power BI. Okay, so in Power BI, you will be able to see this two option as a map visuals wherein you can create a map visualizations. Okay, so a map visualization help us to show the regions with the values. So if I want to show the values like what was the profit in a particular region or a state or a city, I can use the map visualizations to show it. Okay, so the basic need to create a map visualization is to have a column which contains the area. So a area, what I mean here is it can contain a state, it can contain a city, it can even contain a country. So this is what is the basic requirement to create a map visualization. Okay, so let's go to the Power BI desktop and see how we can create the map visualization. Okay, so I am into Power BI desktop and you can see on the right hand side I have fields which says new order. Okay, so I want to create a map visualization which will help me to get the details that I want. Okay, so as I said, the basic need to create a map visualization is to have a region associated to your data. Okay, so in this data I have city. So let me create a table to show you what all things I have and whether I can create the map visualization or not. Okay, so I have a country. Okay, I have state, I also have city, I have the region, I also have the postal code. Okay, so these are the things that I have. Let me click on this and click on don't summarize. Okay, so this is the data that is available for me to create a map visualization. Okay, so can we create the map visualization basis using this data? So the answer is yes. We have the country, so we can create the visualization basis the country. We can even create the visualization basis the state. We can also create the visualization basis the city, region and the postal code. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. If I click on map, it will give me this option. Now I want the state wise profit. So let me click on the state and let me click on the profit. So what happens is when you click onto the state and profit, it automatically give you the details of how the profit in each states look like. Okay, so this is how you can identify the profit into the state. The bigger the circle, the bigger the profit. The lower the circle, the lower is the profit. Okay, so now if I want to do a color to the profit or to the state, what I have to do is just drag this state into the legends and the color of all the states will change. Okay, so if I just zoom, you can see which are the states and what are the profits of each state. Okay, so this is how it will look like. If I just go and increase the size, it will give me the profit, a state-wise profit, which states contributed to what profit. Okay, so if I click on any of the state, it gives me the city for that particular state and which region does it belong. Okay, so this is how you can create the map visuals into Power BI. So I will delete this. There is second option as well for the map visualization into Power BI. If you can see the second option which says as field map. So if I click on the field map, what will happen here is it will again give me the map visuals. Let me select the state and let me select the sales for that particular state. Okay, so this is the field map. It is filling up the entire country, the states that we have selected. Okay, if I just want to add the filter, let's see what happens if I add the filter here. And if I select the basic filtering and just select few of the states where I want to see the profit, so what it will do is it will fill up the details, or it will fill up that particular part which we have selected. Okay, so now if I want to drop a color to it, let me see what we can do is, let's take this state and drop into the legends, and the color of all the states will change accordingly. Okay, so you can see we have the state as California and the sales against that particular state. We have Georgia and the sales against that particular state. Okay, so this is how we can work with map visuals into Power BI. So let me remove the filter here. So now you see the states have been filled up with different colors. So if I click on this, it will give me the sales of that particular state. Okay, if I select on any of these state, it will give me the sales for that particular state. Okay, so what I have done, if you can see on the left hand side, I also have the table that has been created. So if I select any of the state here, it also shows the city that belongs to that state, okay, and the region that it belongs to along with the postal code. Okay, so here I have not added the sales for that particular city or the country or the state. If you want to see, you can add these sales into the table. Okay, so that's all about in this video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.